we're here with the good old Curls Curls today again. I'm so excited for today's wig with Curls Curls, Curls Curls. Oh, I've said that so many times. They always bring a quality. Okay, yes, I'm happy. Same packaging as before, classy, you know, it's branded. And I open the box and I see the wig right away. So it's just the wig in today's package, along with a booklet. No goodies, but you know, that's how it be sometimes. So basically, this is a pamphlet. It lists their social media and just like how to care for the hair, you know, the usual stuff. So that's what's on the inside of that. And then we got our wig. So for today's wig, we got a like ombre colored vibe going on, and the color is not too bold. This is a natural curly texture that we're working with today, and it's 16 inches long. It's very full. Like with Curls Curls, it's exactly what the name is. Really nice, luscious curly wigs. They're always very full, and the quality is like top tier. Now, in terms of the density, I'll list that down below. And this is not a lace wig. Remember the last wig I showed you wasn't a lace wig. This is not a lace wig from them today either. It got a comb on the, well, it got what, 3 combs in total on the inside, you know, 2 at the top portion of the cap and 1 in the back, and it got an extra elastic band, and it looks really good. It also has adjustable straps in the back here. And it's a standard cap construction, like a cap construction without lace. It looks good. It's a bang curly wig. So the difference with this one today is that, you know, it's ombre. It's an ombre vibe. The curls aren't as, what we say, well, the curls are really tight, as you can see, and it's very full. You know, it's full from the root to the tip of the hair, and it looks really good. You know, that nice natural luster, the movement, everything. And this, of course, right away I can tell you guys, this is a beginner friendly wig, because this won't take a lot of time to install at all. I'll show you this wig in both a dry state like it is now and curly. You know, it's really nice. This is for that type of chica that loves her voluminous curly look. This is perfect for you. And then if you want to add a little razzle dazzle, you have the ombre right here. So yeah, get a vibe. I love it. So with that being said, let me go ahead and put this on for you guys. So what I do first is I'm gonna take the elastic band portion, the extra elastic band that's attached on the inside of the cap, and that's what I use to slip on over the wig. I kind of just secure the back in with the comb and stuff. So we're gonna, oh, that's cute. You guys know I don't do like a lot of bang looks, so you know, it's very rare when you see me doing a bang look. Funny thing is, when I was like, when I had like my first job, which was a while ago, my first job, like my first 9 to 5, I cut my natural hair in a bang. That's when I used to relax my hair. I was so obsessed with a bang look at that time. Not anymore, but like this looks so good. You know, I know a lot of you chicas love when your hair is nice and curly and full, and you can't have that bang look there. Yeah, and look guys, I slip it on. It's very secure. It's not going anywhere. I'm just playing around with the hair and seeing how I like it. It's a lot of hair, and it's not heavy. Even though it's so full, it's not heavy, so that's a good thing. I like the fact that the brown, well, the colored portion isn't too loud. It's more muted, so it's perfect for that you know, female that wants to dibble and dabble in color, you know, especially if she's not the type to wear color, you know, so she won't be the one to go too bold. So this type of color is suitable, you know. So yeah, this is basically how it looks, you know, in its dry state. Bang area is very full, but now I'm gonna get it like wet, so it's a little bit more tamed and stuff, you know, get the curls a little bit more defined and, you know, juicy looking. So I have this spray bottle here with water, And I'm just gonna spray it down. So I've decided to pull back some parts of the bang so it doesn't seem like as dense. So I'm just gonna brush back those parts that I don't want to be like down in my face, and kind of just make the pieces hanging a little bit more sparse. So this is how we're looking, right? So I personally, you guys know, I prefer it wet. I prefer it with a wet look. It's not gonna stay wet all the time, of course. And if you want to maintain the hair looking like this, you know what to do. You could add a little conditioner to it, and you could add some mousse. That really keeps that wet look. But if it's just water, it's gonna poof right back up. The thing is, if you want to define the curls more but you don't want the wet look, you could just apply water like what I just did, and in like, you know, a couple minutes, maybe give it 20-30 minutes, it will start rising. But with the definition, like you see how we get more definition now since we wet it up. Yes, so if you want that, just apply water and you're good. But I personally feel like I prefer it in the like more defined state. It's a complete vibe. Let me know what you guys think. You know, it's not my typical look, you know, but it's good to switch it up every now and again. You know, I can't just like do the same thing and go. So but yeah, so yeah, that's how it's looking. Shout out to CurlsCurls. This video is pretty much to the point. It's not very drawn out because this is so beginner friendly. I've done quite a few beginner friendly videos, or you know, beginner friendly wig videos rather, but I feel like this is the easiest of them all, even apart from the headband wig. Yeah, this is it, because you don't have to do no edges, no nothing. This is the ultimate protective style with a wig, because you don't have to do nothing. Like, nobody gotta know what your hair looks like underneath this, and it's yeah, it's very much protected and you could still look cute. So you know, if you're that type of girl that love your bang wigs, check this out. I'm gonna be sure to put all the specifications and the direct link to this wig in my description box as usual, so I want you guys to go down there and check it out. And if I do have any discount codes, I'll be sure to share that with you guys, so check out for those information as well. And that's pretty much it for today's wig look, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.